Ever pondered how to garden while conserving water and soil? Perhaps the answer lies in sustainable hydroponic gardening, an innovative solution that marries technology with nature, promoting eco-friendly practices. To begin, define the space for the hydroponic system. Whether it's a corner of the living room or a dedicated garden shed, ensure the area has access to electricity and can accommodate the size of the system. Remember, the larger the system, the more plants it can support. The second step involves choosing the right hydroponic system. From deep water culture to nutrient film technique, each system has its unique characteristics. Consider factors such as the type of plants, available space and budget when making a choice. Next, gather the necessary supplies. These include the chosen hydroponic system, suitable plant seeds or seedlings, nutrient solution, and pH test kit. Don't forget the grow lights if the system will be indoors. Now, set up the hydroponic system following the manufacturer's instructions. A typical setup involves placing the system in the chosen location, adding water and nutrient solution, and adjusting the pH levels. Then, add the seeds or seedlings to the grow medium. Monitor the system daily to ensure the plants are growing optimally. Check the water levels, pH, and nutrient solution regularly. Replace the nutrient solution every 2 weeks to maintain plant health. Finally, harvest the plants when they are mature. The beauty of hydroponics is that it allows for year-round gardening, so plan the next crop immediately after harvesting. Sustainable hydroponic gardening offers numerous benefits. It uses up to 90% less water than traditional gardening, making it a great choice in water-scarce areas. It also eliminates the need for soil and reduces the risk of soil-borne diseases. Moreover, hydroponic gardening allows for higher plant density, leading to increased yield. It also enables year-round gardening, irrespective of the weather conditions. In summary, setting up a sustainable hydroponic garden involves defining the space, choosing the right system, gathering supplies, setting up the system, monitoring the plants, and timely harvesting. It's an eco-friendly gardening method that conserves water, eliminates the need for soil, and allows for year-round gardening. So why not transform that idle corner of the living room into a lush green and sustainable hydroponic garden? It's a step towards a greener and healthier planet. And of course, fresh homegrown produce. Remember, every drop of water saved counts, and every plant grown hydroponically contributes to a sustainable and eco-friendly world. And there you have it, a guide to setting up a sustainable hydroponic garden.